Understanding Green Strategy, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and relevant topic: green strategy. This phrase is increasingly common in discussions about environment and business. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. Green strategy refers to plans or actions taken by individuals, companies, or governments that are designed to be environmentally friendly. This includes practices that reduce pollution, conserve resources, and generally promote the health of our planet. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Companies reducing their carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources. Governments implementing policies to encourage recycling and reduce waste. Individuals choosing to use public transportation or carpooling to reduce emissions. Embracing a green strategy is crucial for a few reasons. It helps in combating climate change. It leads to sustainable development, ensuring resources for future generations. It often results in economic benefits, such as reduced operational costs and new job opportunities in green industries. Let's practice using this phrase in a sentence. The company's green strategy has significantly reduced its environmental impact. Our city is developing a green strategy to improve air quality. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of green strategy and its significance in today's world. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this term like a pro. Remember, learning English opens doors to understanding global issues. See you in our next video.